What's up? It's been a while. I have a bunch of stuff that I'm looking to post soon, but I wanted to do this video now, even though it's like months later, just as a continuation from where it left off on the car. So I worked on it, I took all the front suspension off, and I recorded a video when I finished the front coilovers, but I really didn't like it. I just thought it was an unnecessarily long video that needed to be edited too much. So I'm just going to, and now that I have the fenders off the car and I can show you everything better than it was before, I'll show you what's up. So ignore all the stuff that's going on with the body panels. I have a bunch of stuff recorded on that over the time that I've been working on some stuff, so I'll show that later on. But front coils are done. Everything's mounted. As you can see, there's the spring perch right there, and then it's got the little set screw, and then it's got the whatever kind of springs these are. But everything's really nice. It's really seems really solid. I put in new XLG struts because the old struts were blown, and these were cheap compared to the like Coney yellows or whatever that people run from the MR2s. Fairly stiff, like, you know, I'm putting my weight, not that I, am a lot of weight, but putting the weight on it. I definitely need to get new top hats. Like, this is all really bad, but probably gonna hold off on that since the car isn't really going anywhere anytime soon, and I want to get some camber plates, like the T3 camber top hats, whatever. But yeah, it's done. It's done on both sides. Fair amount of adjustment. It's pretty whack because I'm running 13-inch wheels with next to no tires on them right now. So like, if you look, my radiator is like pretty much 3 inches off the ground, and my oil pan's not far behind it. So I'm going to definitely want to raise the car just because I don't feel like breaking a bunch of stuff. Like my exhaust right now, or if I didn't have the 15-inch wheels on the back, I had these all the way around, and like my exhaust was just like sitting on the ground, and the rear drop links for the rear coilovers were like this high off the ground. But if you have someone who can weld these perches for you, it's a really good alternative to buying pre-made like BC, and even with the BC coils you still need to weld them, but I'm pretty sure the BCs are adjustable. These aren't. The dampening isn't adjustable. But you get what you pay for. You pay $240 for this, and then however much it would cost to have somebody weld it for you. And if you want to use the existing struts, you can, but I ordered new ones, and I think it was only like $80. Or maybe it was a little bit more than that for new struts. And I mean, I haven't driven the car yet, but I'm just going to assume that it's pretty good based on everything. I'm hoping to be driving the car soon, but we will see about that. I have a lot of work to do. I'm just going to post this video as it is, just to show you they're done, how they sit on the car, how much adjustment you have. But I have a lot more stuff coming, so oh man, I've made a lot of progress on the bodywork since the last video that I posted, and I'm doing more today. So I'm probably not going to record any of the stuff I'm doing because I'm so backed up on like all the old videos that I recorded that I'm just like too lazy to get around to editing. But I have another video that I'm probably going to post before all that where I show you the process to delete the rat's nest. So I'll show you the rat's nest. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can see it. It's a giant pile of emission stuff. This guy here pretty wild. So all that stuff came out. You just got to save one solenoid if you plan on running AC. I've taken apart all of the HRE wheels. I didn't record any of that, but I have like 2 of the lips, the front lips at my house. There's one of the other rears. I'm just like polishing them whenever I get a chance, but I gotta wet sand them because they've got like lots of, not pitting, but they've got something going on. So I'll try to document that process. I've been wet sanding them with like some 2000 grit, and it's coming out really, really nice. So keep y'all updated, but that's that. Just wanted to make a quick thing, and this is already longer than I wanted it to be, but yeah, so stay tuned. Hopefully I'm going to start posting a lot more stuff and quit being a lazy ass. So